the late 1890s, the Swiss artist Félix Vallotton was principal illustrator for La Revue Blanche, the leading cultural journal in Paris. He was at the heart of the avant-garde. It was during these brief years that the artist produced his most iconic and innovative work. In Cinq Heures, Vallotton captures a moment of tense psychological drama. A man and a woman embrace in a red armchair amongst the claustrophobic maze of heavy furniture. Dark shadows are cast across the carpeted floor. Though the folding screen hints at indiscretion, the couple are far from hidden, but instead illuminated at the center of the painting. Vallotton developed his graphic aesthetics through printmaking. He created a series of 10 widely popular woodcuts, Intimités, then a series of 6 paintings of interiors, including Cinq Heures. In these works, he presented a biting critique of Parisian upper-class society with the detached eye of an outsider. The title is an ironic reference to what was known as 5 à 7, the time of day when a husband would visit his mistress before returning home to his wife. With a voyeuristic, almost cinematic lens, Vallotton proves he is a master of narrative suspense and intrigue. Cinq Heures is a pivotal painting in the artist's career, and undoubtedly one of his masterpieces.